Hello, friends from YouTube. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Lenovo Yoga. So this is a Lenovo Yoga. So we're going to replace the battery because it doesn't charge anymore. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Remember to back up your computer every week, every 2 weeks, depend how you use it. Just in case something happened to your computer, then you have a backup, okay? Thank you. So we're gonna use this set of screwdriver. I already choose the right one for the screws. Let me flip it over. So it has 10 screws, but this one is missing one here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I'm gonna remove that, and then I'm gonna continue. So this is a Torx screwdriver. Okay. Okay, I am removing the last screw. Make sure you choose the right screwdriver, otherwise you can damage the screw and then doesn't come out. Okay. And the good thing about this computer is that the screws are the same size. You see this one is yeah, okay, it's not holding nothing inside. Okay, so now I think I remove all of them. Okay, with a tool opening, you just go like that. And it will come out easily. Okay. This computer doesn't turn on anymore. So because the battery needs to be replaced. So but make sure if you're still turn on, make sure you turn it off by the power. Okay, turn it off, and then you can take you can remove the parts. Okay, so this is the battery. So it has one. Here is the connection. So let me remove the connection here. Yeah, this is so. To remove it, just kind of pull it. This cable right there. Okay. And then we're gonna remove 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one use a regular Phillips screwdriver. Put the screws in a safe place so you don't drop it. Okay. And always order your parts by the part number. Don't order the parts by the model of the computer, because sometimes they look at this broken. Sometimes they send you a wrong part. Okay. So this is right here, the Lenovo. Okay. It says caution, replace with same type only. Use another battery might present a fire or explosion. So be very careful. Always order the legit or the original. okay, just in case. So right here is the model. Okay, right there is the model. Is L17L3PE0. Okay, so make sure you order the same one. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm gonna install the other one that I ordered from. I got this one from Amazon, so it's the same. So you put it the same way. Okay, right there. See the little holes here? Make sure this little pin go inside. And that's it. That's the only thing you have to do when you replace the battery. Now let's put back the screws. Close it up and that's it. Okay. Okay, so let's see if turn on. It doesn't turn on because it's not charged, but just. Okay, I connect the power. Now let's turn it on. Okay, Lenovo. Right there. And as you see, it's charging. Okay, so guys, that's the way you replace the battery on Lenovo Yoga 730. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give me a like, check my other videos. I'm trying to fix whatever I can. Have a great day.